Hello everyone, my name's Daniel Gilbreath and I created this animation using what I learned during my time in TEM. That's Technology in the Entertainment and Media Industry at Full Sail University. Though I am a game art major, I learned that many technologies and skill sets can cross over to other exciting and entertaining career paths. To show what I mean, I created this character animation using rigging, real-time recording, keyframes, and simple texturing. All terms I learned in TEM. I also learned the value of networking and having a mission statement, two things in which I think go hand in hand. I have a plan of attack for my future, and I'm determined to work enthusiastically on achieving my goals. By pushing myself, going over and beyond, and using what I've learned, I will continue to be successful in my pursuit of a lasting career. My advice to anyone and everyone going into this class is to keep an open mind about your future. Be open to new ideas and paths for your future. There's nothing wrong with having more than one. I also encourage everyone to push their limits of what you think you can do. Be you, be bold, and be creative. Think outside the box when you're working on your projects. Have fun with them and make them uniquely yours. You are creative and you are here for a reason. Now it's time to show it. Give it all you got and always strive to be better than the person you were yesterday. Thank you for your time and attention. Now go out there and show them who you are. Bye.